What's up, YouTube? I've installed the amp that I've been working on, the one that we rebuilt, the 122 that we've been rebuilding for the last few days. It's now in the Leslie cabinet here. I put it in my ebony Leslie cabinet, which I did the wood on myself. I painted it and put it all together, the speakers and everything. It has a ferrofluid upper driver in it and a reconed P15LL woofer in here. So it's a great sounding cabinet, but I'm going to let you hear it in just a second here. But we're going to try out this amp and see what we get. All right, let me go ahead and place the camera on the tripod. I'll be playing my favorite Cherry B3 63 B3 vintage organ here, or vintage Cherry B3 organ. Let's see how this sounds. All right, here we go. I think that amplifier is ready. Yeah.